Hi, welcome to Technic Force Learning. I am going to show you a quick 5-minute Twitter class tutorial for absolute beginners for 2020. If you are new on Twitter, this video will show you how to navigate within the platform. Let's get started. Go to twitter.com. If you don't have an account on Twitter, you can create an account as you click Sign Up. Input your details and click Next. Click Sign Up and enter the verification code sent via email or the phone number you entered. Input your password, then upload your picture. Input your bio, the languages you speak, the topics you're interested in, suggested people to follow, and you have successfully created your account. Click Get Started. Customize your platform colors and text. If you want to change it, click More, Settings and Privacy, then click Display. As you can see, we don't have anything on our feed yet. Let's follow a few people. You can use the search Twitter bar to look for people or brands you can follow. This area is where you can find influencers like this person we just followed. If you click More, you'll get a list of more followers to choose from. On this person's profile, you'll see his tweets. This section, Who to Follow, are the suggested influencers or brands similar to this influencer. When we click Home, our feed will have tweets from those people we just followed. When you click Explore, you will discover a list of trending tweets and hashtags. Click one of these to view the tweets that are trending. Notifications. When you are active on Twitter, you will be seeing notifications under All. These users liked your tweets and followed you. Under Mentions, you'll see on what tweets your Twitter username has been mentioned. Messages. You can send a direct message to another user so that you'll have a private conversation. You can search for people or groups, or click the Start a Conversation button or New Message button. Bookmarks. These are your saved tweets. To add a tweet to your bookmark, choose a tweet and click this icon. Then choose Add Tweet to Bookmarks. Click View to go to your bookmark section. These are the list of tweets that we recently saved. Lists. Lists are your customized list of Twitter accounts. You can create your own list, subscribe to any list, and be a member of a list owned by other Twitter users. To create a list, click this button. Input a name and description. Choose to make it public or private. Then search and add members. Then click Done. Using lists will customize the tweets that you will view, which only includes tweets from the people on your list. This is our created list name, description, and the number of members and subscribers. Profile. This is your Twitter profile. This section includes your profile photo, cover photo, displayed name, Twitter username or handle, your bio, the date you joined, the number of following and followers you have. You will see your tweets, tweets and replies, media if you have sent tweets with photos or videos, and if you have tweet likes. To create a tweet, click the tweet button. Craft a short and catchy tweet. Include hashtags, a web link, and a good quality image. On your profile, you will see your created tweets. When you click More, you'll have access to topics, moments, Twitter ads and analytics, settings and privacy, help center, display, and the option to log out. Topics are the relevant topics you might be interested in following. Moments are a collection of stories about what's happening around the world using tweets. You can create moments as you click this button. Just input your details here, set a cover, and then publish. Settings and privacy. Here you can edit your account's username, phone, email, password, and security if you want to add a two-factor authentication to protect your account. Privacy and safety to protect your tweets, showing it only to those who follow you. Photo tagging, allowing people to tag you in photos, with the option of anyone can tag you or only people you follow can tag you. Direct messages. Check this box if you want to receive direct messages from anyone on Twitter. Discoverability. If you want people who have your email address or your phone number to find you on Twitter, click each checkbox. Safety. By default, you'll get protected from seeing tweets with sensitive content. You can also mute accounts or mute words. Notifications. Quality filters, when turned on, allows duplicate tweets to be seen on your feed. Under Advanced Filters, you can mute notifications from people you don't follow, who don't follow you, with a new account, no profile photo, and Twitter accounts with their emails or phone numbers that are not confirmed yet. You can turn on or off the push notification, SMS, and email notifications as well. Under Content Preference, you can hide sensitive content and remove blocked and muted accounts from your search. Trends for you are tweets and hashtags based on your location and who you follow. If unchecked, you can change your location and view tweets from another country or worldwide. Under General, you can change your display font size, color, or background. Data usage, if you're on mobile to lessen Twitter's usage of network data. Accessibility for the explanation of images for the visually impaired and reduce motion of animations. If you recall, we have changed our location to worldwide, so the trending topics here pertains to tweets worldwide. If you click the settings button, you can change it back to trends for you based on your location or change to a different country. That's it for our Twitter basics. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching. If you liked this video and it was helpful, don't forget to like us, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notify bell to make sure you receive our fresh videos. If you have any questions, you may drop them in the comments text box, and we will get you the answers. You may visit our website at technicforce.com. We create cutting-edge internet marketing tools to help make you a successful internet marketer, including video marketing tools, social media marketing, email marketing tools, SEO, e-commerce tools, and WordPress internet marketing plugins. Feel free to check us out.